This easy fall dessert recipe is the perfect complement to a great Thanksgiving dinner. You only need a few ingredients to make your own. You'll need a 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 3 eggs, a cup of sugar, 1 spice cake mix, 2 sticks of melted butter, and whipped topping. Combine the pumpkin puree, evaporated milk, eggs, sugar, and cinnamon until smooth. Add a thin coating of butter spray to the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish. Pour the mixture into the dish and sprinkle the dry spice cake mix on top. Drizzle melted butter on top and bake at 350 for 1 hour. Let it cool on the counter for at least 1 hour. Slice and serve with whipped cream. Cover and store the remaining in the fridge. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.